This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Janice Cruz. Immaculate home priced to sell quickly. This home has a great foyer that leads you straight into your large living area looking over your gourmet kitchen. Open floor plan with lots of natural light. Home features upgraded dishwasher, stove and more. It has 4 beds, 2 baths and over 2,000 square feet and ready to move in. When you see this you will want to know why buy new when you can buy this home that has tons of upgrades, blinds, extended covered patio, and much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cruz at 361-229-0535.